Okay, so you're filming something, probably real estate, and you see yourself in the mirror. Well, what are you gonna do? You can probably use a different angle, which is probably the best thing to do because it's real estate and no one really cares, or you can be me and remove yourself from the mirror. This is how I remove myself from mirrors. I know I'm talking really fast, but people have the attention span of a goldfish, so here we go. First thing, open Adobe After Effects. If you don't have After Effects, stop watching this video. When you know you're going to be removing yourself from a mirror, make sure to get a reverse angle because it will make your life way easier. But we'll get to that in a second. For most shots, you're going to want to motion track the base layer, make those tracking points huge, so much so you can't even see the shot, and then you're pretty much done. Okay, maybe not that big. You're going to want to take the base layer, copy, and then do a mask. And then just keyframe a mask around the areas you know you're going to want to replace. Once you have the masking done, bring in your reverse layer and then flip it because it's a mirror. So now the shot is done, but you realize something is missing. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about the door handle. And you have to really look to see that the door handle is chopped off. The door handle is not going to be chopped off every single time, but as you zoom in like 500 times, you'll start to realize how pointless this is. But just copy the base layer and give it a nice little rotoscoping. And then once that's done, you'll realize how little of a difference it makes. Honestly, every mirror is different. Sometimes you have to mask the faucet, door handles, anything that's in the way of the main shot you're trying to do. Backtracking a little bit, I feel like this is kind of obvious, but just in case it's not to you, yes, you specifically, the reverse layer should pretty much match a very similar movement to the base layer. That way your life is way easier, and if it's good enough, you won't even have to motion track the base layer. But motion tracking and then applying that motion track to the reverse layer just makes it that much better. Okay, now that all that's done, add it to the render queue and then head back to Premiere or whatever editing software you're using. As you're looking at your timeline in Premiere, you'll realize how insignificant this whole editing process was, and you'll probably not do it the next time, but I showed you how to do it. Thanks for watching. See ya.